Hello everybody. Today I'll be talking about Phoenix from SMK Helmets. Its ergonomic design makes it convenient to maintain by our users. It is very easy to do replacement with any SMK helmet. Let's find out how. Hold the cheek just below the chin strap. Then push your thumb between the cheek pad and the molded sheet and pull. The first snap will come out. Then gently pull to remove the second snap. Pull the cheek pad down and the plastic sheet will come out of the slot. To replace the cheek, insert the plastic sheet in the slot between the impact absorption liner and shell. Align the snaps with the slots provided and press the snaps in place. First, remove the cheek pads and then remove the two snaps on the back of the helmet. Then unlock the two locks of the bandana in the front of the helmet one by one by gently pulling them out. Pull out the liner from both the sides. To put the liner in place, align the plastic snaps on the slot provided and push them in one by one, and they will snap into place. Then insert the plastic sheet into the slot provided and push it in place. Turn the visor cover snap such that the arrow aligns with the position marked O and the cover comes out easily. Then remove the screw using a screwdriver. Pull out the screw and the anti-rotate washer and the visor will come out easily. Replace the visor and align the anti-rotate washer and screw it in place. Cover it with the visor cover snap and align the arrow on the visor control to the position marked C to close. Open the sun visor first, then pull out the sun visor out of its slot one by one. To replace the sun visor, ensure that the sun visor is in the open position. Then align the sun visor slot with the visor mechanism bracket provided and push it in, and the click sound will confirm that it is in place. Now repeat same for the other side. See how easy the entire replacement process was. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.